Nancy, and I'm in the remote native village of Yamibacho, and we're building a tap stand. And we're at the newly built kindergarten, and it's a community-based effort with the children, with their parents, and with our team. So as you can see, each child is carrying their rock that will be used to build their gray water drain or their tap stand. And this has been the most inspiring part of the whole day, to see these children continued efforts. And this tap stand was provided for the children by St. Joseph's School and the children's effort in our Flow Banks project. So it was through your collecting pennies and nickels and dimes that you're making a clean water connection possible for these children. This is a day in the life of building clean water projects here in the remote Amazon of Peru. Thanks for following, and there'll be more to come in the days ahead. Bye for now.